today, we're exploring a sedan that brings French luxury and avant-garde design back into the spotlight. The 2026 Citroën C6. Known for its elegance and unorthodox style, the C6 has returned with a fresh take on what a modern executive sedan should be. This isn't just a car, it's a rolling piece of automotive art with a personality all its own. From the front, the 2026 Citroën C6 immediately stands out with its bold, futuristic design language. The split headlamp setup remains, with ultra-slim LED daytime running lights flowing directly from the extended double chevron grille. Just below, the main headlamps are subtly tucked into the bumper for a layered, modern look. The grille itself is wide and elegant, featuring chrome accents and active shutters to enhance aerodynamics. The long sculpted hood and low nose give the C6 a sleek, premium presence that feels part executive, part concept car. Moving to the side, the silhouette of the C6 exudes French sophistication. The proportions are balanced and stretched, with a long wheelbase and smooth lines flowing from front to rear. Chrome trim outlines the window frame, gently dipping toward the C-pillar, a signature Citroën design touch. The flush door handles pop out as you approach, and the frameless windows give it a touch of coupe-like fluidity. The alloy wheels range from 18 to 21 inches, depending on trim level, and each design is uniquely geometric, adding to the car's futuristic personality. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted with an atmosphere that blends high fashion with cutting-edge comfort. The dashboard flows in horizontal lines, accentuated by ambient lighting that can be customized to suit your mood. At the center is a floating 12.9-inch infotainment screen with haptic feedback, while the digital driver display is clear, responsive, and packed with intuitive customization. The materials used inside are distinctly French: soft-touch Alcantara, genuine wood inlays, and vegan leather with contrast stitching. Everything feels tailored, calm, and sophisticated. The seats are where the C6 truly shines. Inspired by Citroën's tradition of comfort, the advanced comfort seats offer memory foam padding, heating, cooling, and even massage functions as standard on higher trims. There's generous space in both rows, especially in the rear, where executive-class legroom allows passengers to fully recline and relax. Rear seat controls for climate and media are accessible through a dedicated touchscreen built into the center armrest, giving passengers complete control over their environment. The rear, the design language continues with a sleek, almost coupe-like tapering of the roof. The LED taillights stretch across the width of the car in a single strip, animated with dynamic lighting sequences for locking and unlocking. The boot lid features subtle sculpting and integrated spoiler elements that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. Below, a clean rear bumper houses hidden exhaust outlets, emphasizing the car's clean, electric-first ethos. The power trunk adds practicality to its premium appeal. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Citroën C6 doesn't just look smooth, it drives that way too. Under the hood, the new C6 offers a plug-in hybrid setup as standard, combining a turbocharged 1.6L petrol engine with an electric motor to produce around 225 to 300 horsepower depending on the variant. The system is paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts effortlessly, while the electric-only range is expected to be around 60 to 70 kilometers, ideal for daily city commutes. The ride quality is pure Citroën, with their signature hydraulic cushion suspension system evolved into an advanced electronically adaptive version. It absorbs potholes like they don't exist, and glides over imperfections with a floaty elegance few modern sedans can match. Steering is light, yet precise, making the C6 feel composed whether you're navigating tight urban corners or cruising on the highway. There's even a fully electric variant rumored to launch later in the year, which will further extend the C6's range of options. In terms of technology, the 2026 C6 features Level 2 Plus driver assistance, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic parking. An optional night vision system and 360-degree camera enhance safety and confidence on every journey. The infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, voice recognition, and a premium 12-speaker sound system developed with French audio experts. Pricing for the 2026 Citroën C6 starts at around $45,000 for the base PHEV trim, while the fully loaded Executive Luxe Edition climbs to about $60,000. That includes all the bells and whistles, panoramic sunroof, upgraded sound, ventilated massaging seats, and enhanced autonomy features. Compared to its German rivals, it offers a compelling package with a uniquely French twist on comfort, style, and value. So the 2026 Citroën C6 isn't trying to compete by playing the same game as everyone else. Instead, it's redefining what a luxury sedan can be. Less about aggression and numbers, more about comfort, elegance, and individuality. If you're tired of carbon copy executive cars, the C6 is a breath of fresh French air. That's all for this detailed review from Gear Storm. If you enjoyed the ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews of cars that dare to be different. Stay inspired, stay bold, and keep chasing innovation.